Since 1974, ABEC has been a leader in delivering integrated process solutions and services for manufacturing in the biopharmaceutical industry. A majority of the world's pharmaceutical and biotech companies are ABEC customers, with many of today's leading therapies manufactured by processes and equipment engineered, manufactured, installed, and serviced by ABEC. ABEC's unique value is based on our core values of integrity, credibility, responsiveness and flexibility, knowledge leadership, and long-term partnerships with our customers, suppliers, and one another.
I like working at ABEC because it's a very challenging place to work, but it's also very rewarding. When you see a project completed, you know that that customer is then able to provide life-saving medicines.
ABEC is 100% focused on safety first. You get well trained and you'll be able to go home safe at the end of the day. We implement all the safety policies and procedures across all 4 sites.
We do recruiting through universities and tech and trade schools. We also have internship programs. ABEC really gives you the opportunity to advance in your career.
On a daily basis, I get to learn from people who've been working in the industry for decades. I could be doing 5 different things, I could be wearing different hats. No day is the same working at ABEC.
To be involved in the biotech sector, it's really exciting every day. Our responsiveness, our flexibility to meet the needs of the customer.
The teamwork is really good, no matter what the job is that we're trying to do, no matter what the job description is, everybody pitches in and gets the job done.
So the industry has grown outside the U.S., so with that there are tons of opportunities for us to travel internationally, to get more worldly experience different cultures, and doing a lot more than just sitting in an office.
ABEC for me has been a growth experience. It has opened up many doors and given me the opportunity to explore different avenues that I never really would have thought I was capable of being involved in.
I've worked for ABEC since 1997. I came in with a high school education, no college, and now I'm the manufacturing manager of our corporate headquarters. I think for people of all backgrounds and diversities can come in, if they work hard and they apply themselves, they can go anywhere in the company they'd like.
I've been here 10 years, so that tells you I love working at ABEC and why I come back every day.
ABEC is committed to supporting the growing biopharmaceutical manufacturing industry and constantly reinvests, expanding its capability and capacity, servicing clients around the world. ABEC provides the best of both worlds, the spirit of a premier independent products and services company rooted in a growing industry. Find out more about ABEC by visiting abec.com and follow us on LinkedIn.